Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to be doing this makeup look right here that I have on. It's very pretty and it's really easy to get. So if you want to see how I did it, then please keep watching. Foundation and primer is already on, and I just used the Maybelline Fit Me Hydrate Plus Smooth foundation and the Wet n Wild Coverall primer. And for concealer, I'm going to be taking the Too Faced Born This Way concealer. And to set, I'm going to be taking the Too Faced Peach Perfect Setting Powder. I'm going to be taking the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade 30 Cafe to cream contour. And this is the Morphe M439 brush to blend it out. And now I'm just going to wipe all this powder off, except for under my eyes. I'm going to be going in with my bronzer now, and it's the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. This is my favorite bronzer ever. For eyeshadow, I'm going to be taking two palettes. The first one is the Too Faced Chocolate Bar palette, and I'm going to be using that for all the matte shades. And for the shimmer, I'm going to be taking the Urban Decay Naked palette, this one. For the first shade, I'm going to be taking this light brown here and placing that throughout the crease. And this brush is just a BH brush, and it's a little stained green right now from the Fairly Odd Parents Halloween look that I did. And now I'm just going to be taking this darker shade here. That's the right one? Yeah, this darker shade here and placing that also in the crease, but a little bit lower. And I'm just mixing those two shades together now. I'm going back in. Now I'm going to be taking the tiniest amount of this dark brown here and deepening the outer V of my eye. Now I'm just gonna somewhat cut my crease just so that gold shade is really pigmented and really shows. I thought I was filming when I was finishing that up, but I wasn't. But I'm just going to be going in with the Urban Decay palette now and taking this gold shade here, which is called Half Baked. Back in with the powder brush to wipe away all the setting powder and fallout, because there was fallout from that gold. So off camera I just took this shade Virgin from the Naked palette and I put it in the above my, I put on my brow bone and in the inner corners, but I don't think it's bright enough for the inner corners, so I'm gonna go in with my highlighter when I get to that. So off camera I did the lower lash line and I just used the first and second shades that I used on my eyes. And for highlighter, I'm going to be taking the Sephora Pro palette, which just looks like this. And I'm going to be using this shade right here. I'm just going to take a little bit of that and go in the inner corner. I'm going to go off camera now to do my mascara and my eyelashes. And for mascara, I'm going to be using a mix of the Milk Makeup Kush Mascara and the Clarins Mascara. And for lashes, I'm going to be using the Kiss 01. So my eyelashes are on and this one's still drying, so I still have to apply mascara to it. But for lips, I'm going to be taking, I need a mirror. I'm going to be taking this Sicily lipstick in the shade Plum. And for lips, I'm going to be taking the Wet n Wild Liquid Catsuit in the shade Goth Topic. I thought this lip liner and this was going to match. And this is the finished look. And it's so pretty. It was super easy to get, and it takes like only a few browns and a gold, you know, a burgundy lip or a purple lip, as I did a purple. And if you like this video, please make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll be back with another video.